BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, right? The Philips 5400 LatteGo Renewed and the Jura E4.
Yep. The Philips is around $799, and the Jura is pricier at $1,299. Big price difference to start.
True. The Philips boasts 12 coffee varieties with its LatteGo system, which seems super easy to clean, like 15 seconds easy. It's also got a coffee customizer for aroma and volume.
The Jura E4 focuses on black coffee specialties like espresso and coffee. It's got a professional aroma grinder and a special brewing unit for a full-bodied aroma. Sounds fancy, but maybe less versatile?
Good point. The Philips has 12-step ceramic grinders, good for at least 20,000 cups. And it's got this aroma extract system for temperature control. Sounds pretty consistent.
The Jura also has a conical burr grinder, designed to last. It uses something called pulse extraction process for optimal espresso. It seems more focused on quality espresso, less on variety like lattes.
The Philips dimensions are 15DX10 WX17H and weighs 18.58 pounds. The Jura is 11DX17.6 inches WX 13.8 and weighs a bit more at 22 pounds. So the Jura's wider but shorter.
So footprint could be a factor. The Jura also has a smaller water tank, 64 ounces, compared to the Philips. I think it does not specify the water tank. But the Jura does have videos.
Ah, good catch. And the Philips has a 4.1 star rating with 41 reviews. The Jura has a slightly higher rating, 4.2 stars, with more reviews, like 91.
Right, so more people generally like the Jura. But the Philips is renewed, which means it's not brand new, and has a lower rating.
True. And the Jura is Amazon's choice. And, one last thing, cleaning. The Philips emphasizes easy cleaning, especially the LatteGo. I don't see as much about cleaning for the Jura.
Yeah, the Jura mentions needing cleaning tablets and a special water filter, so maybe more maintenance intensive. Overall, seems like Philips is for convenience and variety, while the Jura is for serious espresso lovers who value quality.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.